Okay, so this is not looking good. Okay, so what we're gonna do, now we got it here, it's light, and we got those small areas filled. To, make sure like it got really dry, because when it's one last spray, foot away. Same thing to this one, and now we're gonna put this one inside the icebox. It did dry properly, and it is flexible. Just, let everything dry. The whole thing to this is patience. Patience is the key to this, and letting it dry and letting the powder and sealer do its thing. So here we are towards the end.